So over here you can see that I have two audio layers right here, and if I were to go around onto the top on the Fairlight page, you can see mixer is an option. So once you go around over here, you can go around and press the play button, and this is how everything would look and hear like. Is an example audio recording for Davinci. You see that there's audio 1 and audio 2 and bus 1 right here. So the bus 1 is the final output, that is the combined audio output, whereas the audio 1 and audio 2 right here are individual audio volumes. So if I were to go around and play this is an example audio recording for Davinci Resolve tutorial series. You see that what happens is that there's more volume for audio 2 and there's less volume for audio 1. Usually when you're working around with audio, you may have multiple audio clips over here on a particular layer. And if you were to move this slider off the audio, then what happens is that it affects the entire layer. So in my case, what is happening is that the voiceover that I have right here is going on to the red area, which is actually bad because it does reduce, it does start to break your voices right here. So usually what you want to do is you want it more around the yellow range right here so that your voice does not break apart when it is playing through a speaker. So I'm just going to go around, decrease out the music volume right here, and let's see how that actually sounds like. This is an example. It does actually go around and then reduce out the music, as you can see right here. But let me just go around and change that around the fly. This is an example audio recording for Davinci Resolve tutorial series. And that is what you have, as you can see right here. So now the background music and the audio right here is much more balanced and it is not reaching the red area, ensuring that the overall volume itself does not exceed the breaking point. So you can go around and adjust the overall volume over here as well. This is an example audio recording for Davinci Resolve tutorial series. And that is how you can go around and work around with the mixer volume inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.